Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Anthony. Let's talk money. Today, we're diving into something we all love, but can also be a bit dangerous if we're not careful. We all know that feeling, right? Payday hits, we're feeling good, so we gotta treat yourself. It's that moment when you feel like you deserve a little reward for all your hard work. New shoes, fancy dinner, maybe even a night out with friends. It's all about enjoying the fruits of your labor. Or perhaps it's that game you've been wanting for months. You finally get to indulge in some fun. But then, bam, bills start piling up. And suddenly, that savings goal feels a million miles away. It's like a harsh reality check. Been there, done that, got the credit card statement to prove it. It's a cycle many of us fall into, thinking we can balance it all. The truth is, waiting till the end of the month to save is like trying to squeeze water from a rock. It's tough. By the time we get to the end, there's often nothing left to save. So, what's the solution? How do we break free from the treat yourself trap and still enjoy life? Stay tuned, because we're about to dive into some practical tips and strategies to help you manage your money better and still have fun. All right, fam, time to flip the script. Let me introduce you to a game changer. Pay yourself first budgeting. It's exactly what it sounds like. Before bills, before fun, even before that morning coffee, you pay yourself. Think of it like this. Every time you get paid, a chunk of that money goes straight into your savings account, like clockwork. No questions asked. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. But the impact, huge. Okay, so why is this pay yourself first thing such a big deal? 2 words, financial freedom. It's not just a buzzword. It's a lifestyle change that can transform your entire outlook on life. When you prioritize saving, you're building a safety net for the future. Unexpected expenses, no sweat, dream vacation, booked. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that you have a cushion to fall back on, no matter what life throws your way. Retirement, you're already ahead of the game. By putting yourself first now, you're ensuring that your golden years are truly golden. No more worrying about whether you'll have enough to live comfortably. It's about taking control of your money and building a future where you're the one in charge. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. You're making your money work for you, not the other way around. No more stressing about bills. No more wishing you could afford things. Sounds good, yeah? It's about living a life of abundance and security, where your financial goals are within reach and your dreams are achievable. Automating your savings. Make it easy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Anthony, I can barely remember to water my plants, let alone transfer money every month. Relax, we've got this. Most banks have this magical thing called automatic transfers. You set it up once, and boom, your chosen amount automatically jumps into your savings account every payday. It's like having a personal assistant for your money, but way cheaper. Seriously, it's that easy. No more excuses. Imagine never having to worry about missing a transfer again. You can set it and forget it. This way, you can focus on what really matters to you, whether it's enjoying a good book or spending time with loved ones. Over time, you'll see your savings grow without any extra effort. It's a game changer for your financial health. So, take the first step today. Set up automatic transfers and watch your savings soar. You've got this. Finding your savings groove. Now, finding that magic savings number depends on your goals and your current situation. Start small and gradually increase it as you get more comfortable. Remember, It's not about depriving yourself. It's about finding a balance that works for you. Maybe you cut back on takeout a couple of times a week, or find cheaper alternatives for things you already buy. Small changes add up, my friends. Ready, set, save. So there you have it, fam. Pay yourself first budgeting. It's simple, it's effective, and it's the key to unlocking your financial freedom. No more waiting till the end of the month. No more feeling stressed about money. Start small, automate your savings, and watch your money grow. You've got this. Now go out there and crush those savings goals. You're awesome. Peace. Visit anthonydoty.com for more tips and insights. Are you ready to automate your finances? Click the link in the description below for a free 30-minute Financial Empowerment 5S session. I look forward to working with you.